Dear consultants and Oriflame leaders, today we are moving into December, the last and final month of this year. I know that in 2018 you have been working hard to build a sustainable long-term business. And I know that you will do whatever you can in December to continue to do so. And of course, we have new products for you. We have the exciting invitation campaign that's ongoing, and you and your network have every opportunity to rise to the top, to fulfill your dreams. In December in Haryana, just outside of Delhi, we will have an extra Top 15 meeting where we will, together with our Top 15 leaders, lay the foundation for 19 and 20. And I can guarantee you that 2019 is going to be an awesome year. We've got a lot of things up our sleeves that we are very excited to talk with you about come 1st, 2nd and 3rd of January. So now, let's take the opportunity, focus on our business and build long term. Your dreams are our inspiration. So now, without further ado, let me hand over to Shikha Duggal for the exciting catalog.
Thank you, Fredrik, and hello everyone. Well, 2018 is a very special year for us, as during this year, there have been so many opportunities to experience and become a part of Oriflame. Whether it was about experiencing some of the most advanced products from Oriflame or enjoying the Oriflame opportunity, all this made 2018 a very exciting and a wonderful year. It's been over 50 years, and Oriflame is one of the leading beauty companies selling direct, enriching lives of so many people across the globe. Well, as the year comes to an end, I'm super excited to reveal this December catalog. Come, let's learn more about the products featured in this catalog. Optimals is one of our most beloved skincare brands. With unique blends of Swedish natural ingredients, Optimals provides tailored solution for specific skin needs. Optimals Age Revive helps to fight multiple signs of aging, giving you a radiant, younger looking skin. In this catalog, we bring great deals on two of your favorite Optimals Age Revive products. Optimals Age Revive Anti-Aging Night Cream, which works upon fine lines and wrinkles, intensively hydrates your skin while it is at rest. While on the other hand, Optimals Age Revive Anti-Aging Eye Cream brightens the eye area while reducing the puffiness and dark circles. So whether you've noticed your first signs of aging, or your complexion is not as bright as it used to be, Novage helps you to be your beautiful best. This advanced performing anti-aging brand has 3 different ranges that targets different signs of aging. If you want to restore your flawless complexion, or correct skin pigmentation and imperfections, or just simply lighten your complexion, then Novage Bright Sublime is just perfect for you. This range is clinically proven to lighten the skin by 40%.
Hello Emily, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
So I heard you just joined Oriflame as a consultant?
That's right. And I saw in the catalog this great new product called Bright Sublime.
That's a fantastic product, but the best place to speak about it, it's in the lab. So let's go together,
Okay.
please.
How do you know what consumers want, what they need?
To get to there, we carried out a very interesting study, quite unique, understanding what are the key signs of aging that make you look older. This study, we call it Age Reflect, and we involve 2,000 ladies. And I have an example for you. You know, there are 2 ladies So guess the age.
I think this one then on the left is mid-40s, and the one on the right is definitely older, maybe early 50s, I'd say.
These two ladies have exactly the same age. And from this study, we learned a lot about what is the difference between perceived age and biological age.
What are the factors that you found out?
So the main factors that drive older looking skin are the wrinkles around the eyes, the sagging skin as well, but most important was also the spots. You know, this kind of dark spots that we can have on our face. This uneven skin tone is driving older looking skin.
You mean like these on my hands? I know I get them a little bit on the top of my hands,
Yeah,
for
that's coming
example.
on the ends because this is exposed to sun. Definitely the sun is driving pigmentation, but it's also happened hormonal changes. And the best example is when women are pregnant. For, let's say, 50% of them, they could have this pregnancy mask. This one will disappear, but the spots we got from the sun as we age, these won't disappear. Here is this amazing product, Bright Sublime from Novage, containing fantastic technology that target the spots, but also the wrinkles. We have in these products different plant-based active ingredients. One of them, we call it multi-bright technology, that is there to target the spots, to even the skin tone. And we combine it with a plant stem cell extract from gardenia to target wrinkles. So basically we are growing these little plants in the lab and we are doing these plants extract. The benefit of that is that we have a very pure concentrated extract out of any pollution.
And these are unique to Oriflame, right?
We own a patent on the multi-bright technology. You can only find this technology in our products. We carried out a clinical test to confirm that you will get the benefit.
And when you say clinical tests, how are these kind of tests different from other kinds?
Often people are doing consumer tests. People get their feedback. It's a subjective evaluation of the performance of the product. A clinical test here, it's an objective measure. It's a quantitative measurement, and that's much stronger. And we got a very interesting results. 50% reduction of the spots coloration after 12 weeks of use. So it's nothing magic, it's pure science. You will get results. It's clinically proven.
Achieve the very best lightening, luminosity enhancing and wrinkle smoothing results with Bright Sublime skincare routine. Every step provides perfect preparation for the next, and every product is formulated to work in synergy with the others for optimal effect. Well, tea tree is known for its antibacterial properties and it helps to fight blemishes. Love Nature Tea Tree range helps to control excess oil, balances and purifies the skin, leaving it mattified and healthy looking. So for those of you who are looking for a solution to fight excess oil and long for a mattified shine-free look, we recommend you to try out products from our Love Nature Tea Tree range. Loving Care range offers bath and body products for the entire family. This range is infused with natural almond milk, which is known for its gentle and mild properties. What's better, this range is suitable for children above the age group of 3 and comes in family size packs, making it a perfect choice for the entire family. All-in-one Loving Care multi-purpose cream for face, hands and body is suitable for the whole family, and this month it also comes on a great deal. Experience the best of home facial with Love Nature Facial Kit Tropical Fruits, suitable for providing intense nourishment for dry skin. The kit includes products necessary for achieving the 4-step skin nourishing ritual, so do try it out. Give your lips a treat with Love Nature lip balms containing nourishing coconut, softening mango and soothing melon. These lip balms are intensely moisturizing and infused with vitamin E for added hydration. Now every day can be a color day with your favorite Colorbox nail polish, which comes in 7 new metallic shades in this catalog. So if you want to give your nails a trendy makeover, then these shades are a must-have. It's time to experience our new women's collection, which comes with the sensual charm of jasmine. Come, let's learn more about it. Well, it's time to surrender to the sensual aroma of lily, jasmine and white musk. Further adding to the excitement, this month Women's Collection Sensual Jasmine Set comes on a dream deal. Well, we all know well-defined and voluminous eyebrows instantly enhances the look, making you feel bold and confident. Now it is very easy to achieve with Oriflame brow products. To contour and define the eyebrows, try out the new The One Duo Brow Pencil. However, to add that extra volume to the eyebrows, The One Brocara is a must. In order to learn more about these products, keep watching this video. This double-ended eyebrow pencil creates well-defined, beautifully contoured eyebrows. The pencil side adds definition and color where hairs are sparse. The highlighter side creates a lifted brow illusion and enhances the eyes by brightening the arch of the brow. For that extra volume, The One Brocara works best. A waterproof gel mascara for brows builds instant volume for a naturally bold brow look. The tapered brush makes application easy, and the waterproof fiber formula ensures your voluminous brows hold all day. Instantly reduce visibility of pores with The One Pore Minimizing Primer. With protecting vitamin E and pore blurring technology that helps to reduce excess oil and gives a soft focus effect, leaving the skin mattified for 7 hours. For a naturally radiant and perfectly even skin, there is nothing better than Optimal's Even Out, as it is infused with Swedish natural ingredient blends and comes in a full routine. As we are all set to welcome another beautiful year, this December grab your favorite Optimal's Even Out Preventing Day Cream at the best price of the year. Check out this month's time offer on your favorite Oriflame products, which I am sure you will adore. Avail this month's time offer on your favorite lipsticks, The One Color Unlimited Lipstick and The One Color Unlimited Lipstick Super Matte. Not just this, you can even avail time offer on jumbo packs of Loving Care. Not to miss, Giordani Gold Bronzing Pearls and your favorite Milk and Honey Gold Hand Cream and Milk and Honey Hand Scrub are also available on time offer. This is all for this month. It was in fact a wonderful year, and we would like to thank you for your support and love. Let's bid goodbye to 2018 and get ready to welcome the new year. Thank you.